Hey there, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Welcome to a segment of Quarantine Cantina. Hey, today we're going to do something. I know a lot of y'all are working from home, that WHF, and we're doing stuff and trying your best, and hope everybody's safe and healthy and happy out there. So here's something that I do at home, or have done at home in the past, and hope this helps you. I know everybody's looking for a quick snack, either for themselves or their kids. I like to call this the banana hoagie. Yeah, it's simple, it's easy, it's quick, it's healthy. Let's roll with it. We've got some hot dog buns, some peanut butter, jelly, honey, raisins. Let's mix these up and make them fun. So, like I said, this is super simple, super easy, but the kids love it. Really, it's one of my favorites too. So, all right, let's go. So here's what we're going to do. And like I said, super easy. I've got some peanut butter. You can do these a couple different ways. So you just want a nice smear of peanut butter on there. And again, you're looking for however much you like. I'm going to use some jelly here. I've got some strawberry preserves. And of course, you need a banana for the banana hoagie. We're going to take a banana. Put that right in there. Peanut butter and jelly banana hoagie. Do you want to do it a little different way? You don't like your jelly? That's okay. You don't have to have the jelly. Let's do this. We'll do a little peanut butter. I actually had one of these for breakfast this morning, like this. We got peanut butter. We'll take our banana. Get that peel off, because nobody likes that. And then a little honey. I've got some of my Lake Ammonia honey. Love that. And we're just going to do a nice little drizzle. Nice little drizzle, some honey on there. And you know what? Let's add a few raisins too. You want to do one more? Why not? Here at the Quarantine Cantina, we're going to be all out. So, you want to dress this up a little bit? You want to make this fun for the kids? This is the snack one. We still do our peanut butter and jelly. So this will be more the mid-afternoon snack. How about that? You got some sprinkles or some little make it fun, you know? So Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering. Thanks for watching. I hope everybody out there is staying healthy and safe. God bless you and take care.